So before we start this job or disconnect that negative battery cable, which we have to, you want to put the key in the ignition and put it in neutral. Disconnect the negative battery first. This happens to be a 1/2-inch wrench. It might be a 10mm or an 8 if it's still factory cables. But you want to take that negative battery terminal off, lift it up, and just get it right out of the way. Make sure it doesn't come and hit that because it will still make a circuit. So you're going to start with taking the top and the bottom cowl off the steering column. This happens to be a tilt steering wheel. If you have one, loosen it up so that you can make it flow easily. And then go down here with a Phillips screwdriver, and you're going to have 2 in the front and 1 back here, so 3 total mounting holes. And just take those 3 screws right out. There we go. Set them aside. I think this one is missing. It is. Should be one here, but someone else has been into it. Once you have those removed, you can take this black little rubber seal thing off. Yours might have a rubber boot around it. This one's missing. Just pull this down. And then you can try to manipulate it around so it gets that handle out of the way. Perfect. So now we're going to remove the top cowl, and that is this plastic piece in here. Has little clips on it, so we're just going to pull that up on both sides like that. There we go. Unfortunately, you're going to have to try to slide this out from the combination switch. So you're going to remove that little bolt. It's a 5.5mm socket, and then you're going to remove the clip right here to take that combination switch out. It's a little fine bolt. It actually has machine thread, so it's not a screw. Here it is. Now I'm going to push this clip and pull the combination switch right up. Hopefully we get enough swing out of it that we can pull it right out and out of the way. So there's 3 connectors on this combination switch, electrical connectors. 1 tab's on the inside here. I'm just going to push in on it and pop that off. Okay, so this one has a guide on it, so you can slide it down to undo it from the combination switch. Let's see where our clip is on the top. Okay, 1 left, and the clip is on the inside. Wow. So now we're going to reconnect the combination switch to the new one. I'm going to put this connector on first, and then the bottom one. You can see the tabs, which direction they go in. And then the last one. Now we can slide it right into spot. See, that goes right like that. We've got a little keyway here in the front. Make sure all the wires in the back are out of the way. And it will slide right down and lock in. Now we can put that top bolt in, that 5.5mm socket. Snug that down. Put the top column on. Now we can put the bottom steering column on. Bring that up. Slide that down in there. Then loosen the steering wheel again. Slide that right through. Just like that. Line these up with the grooves like that. It'll click right into place. Do the same on this side. Now we're going to install our 3 screws from down below. And the one in the back. Now I'm just going to put the shifter boot back on. Like I said, I was just missing the rubber, but that's it. So I grab our negative terminal, put it right on that battery post. Make sure it's seated all the way down. Grab our 1/2-inch wrench and tighten this up. Left blinker, right blinker or turn signal, hazard, and then wipers.